DJI has long been the leader in the drone industry, setting benchmarks for innovation, performance, and reliability. From professional-grade drones like the Mavic 3 Pro to beginner-friendly models like the DJI Mini 3 Pro, DJI has consistently provided a broad range of drones catering to different audiences. Now, rumors are swirling about the DJI Neo 2, an upcoming mid-range drone that could redefine the market segment. If the leaks and insider reports are accurate, the DJI Neo 2 might offer groundbreaking improvements in camera technology, battery life, and intelligent flight features. With reports surfacing from trusted sources like Jasper Ellens, drone enthusiasts and tech experts are speculating about the Neo 2's potential specs, release date, and market impact. In this in-depth breakdown, we'll explore everything we know about the DJI Neo 2, compare it with the original DJI Neo, and discuss whether this drone is worth the hype. DJI Neo 2. What we know so far. The DJI Neo series was introduced as a bridge between entry-level drones like the DJI Mini series and high-end models like the Mavic series. The original DJI Neo offered an excellent balance of performance, portability, and price, making it a popular choice for hobbyists and content creators. With the rumored Neo 2, DJI appears to be taking things up a notch, integrating new features and enhancements based on user feedback. Expected upgrades and features. According to industry insiders, the DJI Neo 2 is expected to include several major improvements, such as white heavy checkmark enhanced camera sensor. Rumors suggest a 1-inch CMOS sensor or even a 4/3 CMOS sensor, allowing for improved image quality, better low-light performance, and dynamic range comparable to the Mavic 3 series. White heavy checkmark 4K per 120 frames per second video recording. The Neo 2 could feature 4K at 120 frames per second, enabling cinematic slow-motion footage and improved aerial cinematography. White heavy checkmark advanced AI-assisted flight modes, AI-driven obstacle avoidance and autonomous flight capabilities, possibly integrating features from the DJI Air 3. White heavy checkmark extended battery life. While the DJI Neo offered decent battery life, the Neo 2 is rumored to provide up to 40 to 45 minutes of flight time, surpassing previous models. White heavy checkmark improved transmission system. A potential upgrade to OcuSync 4.0 could offer longer range and better connectivity, making it ideal for long-distance flights. White heavy checkmark foldable and portable design. Compact, lightweight, and highly portable, designed for travelers and outdoor enthusiasts. Release date and pricing. When can we expect the DJI Neo 2? DJI has not officially confirmed the Neo 2's release date, but based on previous launch patterns, it is likely to debut in late 2024 or early 2025. Industry insiders speculate that DJI might announce it alongside the DJI Mini 5 or the Mavic 4 series, making 2025 a landmark year for DJI releases. As for pricing, the Neo 2 is expected to fall in the $999 to $1,299 range, making it a mid-range option between the DJI Mini 4 Pro, $799, and the Mavic 3 Classic, $1,599. Target audience. Who should buy the DJI Neo 2? The DJI Neo 2 is designed for content creators and filmmakers. With 4K per 120 frames per second video and enhanced AI flight modes, this drone could be a game-changer for aerial cinematography. Travel and adventure enthusiasts. The portable design and long battery life make it perfect for capturing breathtaking landscapes. Hobbyists and drone enthusiasts. Those looking for a high-performance drone without breaking the bank will find the Neo 2 appealing. Real estate and business professionals. A potential 4/3 CMOS sensor and AI-assisted shooting could make the Neo 2 a great tool for real estate photography and business applications. Why the DJI Neo 2 could be a game-changer. If DJI delivers on the rumored specs, the Neo 2 could shake up the mid-range drone market by offering white heavy checkmark high-end camera quality at a mid-range price, bridging the gap between the Mini 4 Pro and Mavic 3 Classic. White heavy checkmark advanced AI and obstacle avoidance, a safer and smarter flying experience, perfect for beginners and professionals. White heavy checkmark extended flight time, potentially reaching 45 minutes, making it a leader in its class. White heavy checkmark foldable and portable design, ideal for travelers and vloggers who need high performance in a compact form. Conclusion. Should you wait for the DJI Neo 2? The DJI Neo 2 is shaping up to be one of the most exciting drones of 2025. If you're in the market for a mid-range drone with flagship-level features, it might be worth waiting for. However, if you need a drone immediately, the DJI Neo and Mini 4 Pro remain excellent options. With 4K per 120 frames per second recording, extended battery life, and AI-assisted flight capabilities, the Neo 2 could be the best balance of performance, portability, and price in DJI's lineup. What are your thoughts on the DJI Neo 2? Will you be waiting for its release, or do you prefer existing models like the Mini 4 Pro or Mavic 3 Classic? Let us know in the comments below. Backhand index pointing right. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on DJI drones and the latest tech news. Rocket.